Questrade or Wealthsimple?
You must choose. But choose wisely.
Which platform should you choose?
You chose poorly.
In this video, I'll explain the difference between the two investing platforms and you can decide which one is for you. If you want the right platform for your personal situation, make sure you watch this video till the end. What is the best online brokerage in Canada for investing? Keyword investing, not trading. The big banks? Nah, outdated and too expensive. Interactive brokers, Moomoo or Webull, those platforms are more suited for traders. So that leaves us with Wealthsimple and Questrade. Let's begin with signing up. Signing up for Questrade and Wealthsimple are both relatively easy and can be done completely online. And both have no minimum to open an account and start investing. Both have a $50 sign-up bonus with the right referral link. But there is a slight difference, where Questrade requires a $250 deposit for the bonus and Wealthsimple only requires $150. Both offer a rebate when transferring from a different institution. Questrade's rebate is a maximum of $150 but no minimum balance required, while Wealthsimple's rebate is $150 only if the transfer is $15,000 or more. Wealthsimple's sign-up process is 5 to 10 minutes with an instant account approval in most cases, while Questrade's sign-up process is 15 to 20 minutes and may take 3 business days or longer for approval. For signing up, we are going to give the point to Wealthsimple. Next, account types. Wealthsimple offers the RRSP, Spousal RRSP, TFSA, FHSA, Cash, Joint Cash, Margin, Lira, LIF, RIF, and corporate accounts. Questrade offers these accounts plus RESP and family RESP, formal and informal trusts, and more joint accounts. Wealthsimple does have RESPs for their managed portfolios, but we are still waiting for the RESPs for self-directed investing, which have been coming soon for a while now. Questrade takes the point for most account types. Now we move on to investment products. With Wealthsimple, you can trade stocks and ETFs on all the main North American stock exchanges. It only supports a limited number of US over-the-counter stocks and securities that are eligible for CDS or DTC. And also, Wealthsimple has a minimum price and volume constraints for securities to be traded on their platform. Questrade offers more exchanges and more restricted stocks. Questrade does have access to international equities, but it wouldn't be ideal to purchase with them. As for options, Wealthsimple now offers them, but it's been a feature that Questrade has offered since it first launched in 1999. Both Questrade and Wealthsimple offer managed portfolios, also known as robo-advisors. The difference is the Quest Wealth portfolios are half the price as Wealthsimple's with better performance. Other investment products Questrade offers include GICs, limited IPOs, bonds, mutual funds, physical precious metals, foreign exchange, and derivatives for global stocks, indices, commodities, and currencies. Now, there are a few investment products that Wealthsimple has over Questrade: private credit and private equity. These are for those with at least $50,000 in assets and a $10,000 minimum investment. Questrade also has cryptocurrencies. They offer over 70 coins, while Questrade offers none. However, Questrade did mention that crypto will be likely coming soon later this year. Since Questrade offers more traditional investment products, they get the point. Next, platforms. Wealthsimple has 2 platforms for investing: their mobile app and through their website on browser. Questrade, on the other hand, 2 web-based platforms, one for basic trading and one for advanced trading, 3 apps: Quest Mobile for investing, Questrade Edge for active trading, and Questrade Global for global markets, and 1 downloadable software for global trading. Although Questrade has more advanced platforms, these platforms are for active traders. And for comparison, platforms like Interactive Brokers and Centerpoint are much better for active traders. However, the average beginner or seasoned long-term investor will only need to use the app, and that's where Wealthsimple shines. Their app is considered to be the best because it's more user-friendly and offers much more simplicity. That being said, Questrade's app for long-term investing is much better than most of the competition. The point is awarded to Wealthsimple. Now let's take a look at the fees. Before, Wealthsimple might have taken the point, but recently, Questrade has removed all commission and ECN fees from stocks, ETFs, and options, and lowered their options contract fee to 99 cents. Wealthsimple has the same zero commission fees, but their option contracts are $2 and as low as 75 cents if you have $100,000 in assets with them. Both don't have maintenance fees or registered account fees. As for margin rates, Wealthsimple seems to have the upper hand. The biggest difference is their foreign exchange fees. Both charge a 1.5% foreign exchange fee. However, Wealthsimple has no free USD accounts. So if you buy a US stock on Wealthsimple, you'll be charged 1.5% to convert to USD and another 1.5% when you sell to convert back to Canadian dollar. Although Wealthsimple has recently lowered their exchange fee to as much as 0%, depending on how much you exchange, you still also need to consider Wealthsimple's exchange rate, which includes a spread that varies and is slightly higher than Questrade's. With Questrade, you have dual currency accounts that can hold USD. So if you buy a US stock, you will still be charged 1.5%, but when you sell, it stays in USD, so you don't have to pay another 1.5%. If you want USD accounts with Wealthsimple, you'll need to pay $10 a month or have $100,000 in total assets with them.
But wait, there's more.
Norbit's Gambit, a currency conversion technique that reduces foreign exchange fees. Wealthsimple doesn't allow journaling, so Norbit's Gambit can't be done on their platform. Questrade, on the other hand, does offer journaling for a fixed price of $9.95 plus tax. Even exchanging $100,000 will still only cost $9.95. And for this reason, Questrade takes the point. Although I should mention that you can transfer USD from another institution to avoid higher foreign exchange fees. Now let's take a look at deposits and withdrawals. With Wealthsimple, you can deposit funds directly from a linked bank account through a direct deposit, by transferring an investment account from another institution, by wire transfer, and instantly with e-transfer or a linked Visa or MasterCard debit. Wealthsimple also offers a unique instant deposit feature that allows you to deposit up to $50,000 as a core client and up to $250,000 as a premium or generation client. Your instant deposit limit will be based on many factors, including deposit history, net deposits, and other variables. With Questrade, you can't deposit by MasterCard debit, e-transfer, or direct deposit like Wealthsimple, but you can deposit by pre-authorized deposit, non-certified check, online bill payment, wire transfer, stock certificate, transfer from another institution, and instantly through Visa and Interac debit. As for withdrawals, with Questrade, you can withdraw $50,000 per day for free using electronic funds transfer, but it will take 3 to 5 business days. Or by wire transfer, which has no limit, take 1 to 3 business days and cost $20 to $40. Wealthsimple, on the other hand, does not support outgoing wire transfers. Not yet anyway. If you do have larger amounts to withdraw, your only option is using the electronic funds transfer. For smaller withdrawals, Wealthsimple offers 2 instant methods, with a linked debit card but with a 2.5% fee and a $5,000 daily limit, or for free by e-transfer but you need a cash account and the limit is also $5,000 daily. However, according to Wealthsimple, they will soon be adding international money transfers, e-transfer to personal email without the cash account, mobile check deposit, bank drafts, and sending wires. To sum it all up, Wealthsimple offers more instant deposits and withdrawal methods, but Questrade offers more convenience and less hassle when depositing or withdrawing large amounts. However, the majority of investors, especially beginners, won't have large 100K portfolios, so the point is awarded to Wealthsimple. The next section to compare is features. Features Wealthsimple offers that Questrade currently don't include interest on cash balances, stock lending, earlier pre-market trading, fractional shares, automatic investment purchasing, 100% dividend reinvestment, a prepaid MasterCard, a high interest savings account, mortgages, tax filing software, and coming soon, the Wealthsimple Visa Infinite credit card and ready-made portfolios. Wealthsimple also offers additional benefits for those with 100K or 500K portfolios. These benefits include lower management fees, higher interest on cash balances, free USD accounts, reduced options and crypto fees, partner rewards, tax loss harvesting, airport lounge access, and free access to financial advice. As for Questrade, features they have that Wealthsimple does not include advanced charting, multiple order entry types, customizable layouts, level 2 market data, research tools, financial statements, analyst reports, news and insights, four-leg option strategies, and passive, which is the third-party portfolio management tool that can easily allocate money, rebalance assets, and execute trades. Basically, what passive does is make your self-directed portfolio into a passive one. Questrade's coming soon features include earlier pre-market hours, fractional shares, security lending program, and crypto. As for features, Wealthsimple takes the point just because their features cater to more passive long-term investors, while Questrade's features cater towards traders and active investors. As for customer service, both platforms offer a help center, live chat, phone, and email support. Wealthsimple's hours are from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday, with no support on weekends. Questrade, on the other hand, offers support from 7:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Friday and 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday. For actually getting a hold of someone and quality of support, let's just say both platforms need improvements.
I'm not sorry I placed you on hold for 5 minutes. I was hoping you'd hang up.
If these two platforms keep growing, customer service will only get worse unless they hire more customer service reps, especially during busy times like tax season or during promos. For this, no one gets a point. The final score, Wealthsimple 4 and Questrade 3. Does that mean Wealthsimple is the better platform? Not necessarily. Both Wealthsimple and Questrade offer excellent options for Canadian investors, but they cater to different types of users based on their experience, investing style, and goals. Wealthsimple is ideal for beginner investors and for those who prefer a hands-off approach. If you want an easy-to-use platform, automatic portfolio management, a clean mobile experience, and mainly want to invest in Canadian stocks and ETFs, Wealthsimple is the better choice. And maybe you like Wealthsimple's other products like their spending account, savings account, and plan to get the upcoming credit card. Having all your accounts in one ecosystem just makes everything a little bit easier. Questrade is best for more experienced investors who want the lowest fees, especially for US equities, access to a broader range of investments, and more control over their trades. If you're comfortable managing your own portfolio and looking for a platform with more advanced trading features and flexibility, Questrade is the better fit. Either way, investing platforms have come a long way in Canada.
I'd like to buy 500 shares of Animotion Incorporated.
And hopefully more competition will force all these brokers to improve even more. Now, if you're a beginner and ready to start investing, make sure you watch the video on the right of the screen. See you there.